Awesome. Welcome. My name is Kelvin Owens. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a very awesome social media flyer design using Photoshop and then AI. Which AI am I talking about? I'm talking about the Microsoft Designer AI, which is the image creator. Yes, that is what we are going to use. So I'll enter a very simple prompt. I want to generate a 3D image of a guy holding a laptop and a money who is jumping in joy. So that is what basically I'm going to type in the description to describe whatever I'm trying to do. We are using Microsoft Image Generator or Image Creator to create this beautiful image of a kid holding a laptop and money jumping in the air. So joyous, right? I'll choose the fourth one because it looks beautiful in my eyes. Yeah, I think it will help me because I can easily remove the background. So let's check it out. So we open our Photoshop 1080 by 1080 72 resolution and hit on create, and then we change our background into a color we want. So I took the liberty to bring something from Pinterest, a color combination. So I'll be choosing the violet or purple, whatever, the purple color in there as my background. So I have to bring this to the back and then select, I drop the color. Yes, this is what I want. And I'll bring in my subject, the guy holding the money in a laptop. Yes, this is me in this month of September. So that's what I'm envisioning for myself this month. I'm going to get a lot of money, a whole lot of money. So that was the concept behind this design. So I'm touching up after using the magic tool to try to remove the background. I saw that it bled into the actual image. So I'm using the lasso tool to remove certain spots I do not like, to make sure that the image is a little clean. Not so clean, but a little clean. So that's what I'm doing. I'm touching up here and there, from the shoes to the laces and stuff, a whole lot of things. I like to forward it, but no, just have enjoy. So we'll do that. You remove the background, in a bit, give me a little minute. Gotta make sure it's a little perfect, all right? You know, so you think that I'm perfect, like professional designer and everything. Yeah. So now we use the clip mask to remove the background. Yes. So I'll add a little highlights because I use a brush tool to add a little highlights because I saw that in the 3D image the guy has some highlights on his face. Like, no, I can't leave it that raw, so therefore I have to create a highlight in the flyer. You get it? Yeah, I hope you do. So that's what I did with the brush tool. So I'll bring some in front and some to the back to give more depth and life. So I increase the opacity. Yes, that's beautiful. I think it's coming to life. Now I'll add my text. So the goal is to create a September post. So September, the year or the month of abundance. So September, and I'll be using the Gotham Ultra as my base text for this beautiful design that I'm creating, Gotham Ultra, and I'll be using the italic one. Yeah, let me see. All right, italic. Yeah, so I increase the size a little. I'll space it out, position it in the middle. I'll position it in the middle and make sure that it's well spaced so that I can see the September, even though it's not visible. Wait, I'm going to do one or two things to make it a little visible for those who may be thinking, oh, maybe it's not September, it's September. It's an offer, but we moved. I just rammed over there, you caught it. So basically I'll duplicate the text to create an effect. I was trying to make the M overlap the laptop and the guy's hands, but yeah, let's see what happens. Copy, add my layer mask. So I'll select. So I press Ctrl. I selected the layer mask. So I'll click on it. Click. So what this thing does is that it will remove the background and leave only the text. But I don't want that. I want to see the picture and then just have the September as the background. So I'll invert it with Ctrl I. Ctrl I once again. So I'll use the brush tool to try to bring the M in front You get it? See what the layer mask does, that you move the parts you don't want. So I'm bringing back the parts I want. This is the part or the one arm of the end. So I'll use the brush to brush over it. Brush over it to see whether it will appear. Okay, increase the opacity. Now I just realized that the reason why it's not coming is because the color is not actually white. It's supposed to be white. So what I'll do is that I'll change the color to white and then brush over it. You see that it will appear so bright. Wow. Now it's sipping into the other things. I don't want the ink to show. So what I'll do is that after I'm done bringing that arm out, I'll go back, change the brush into a hard brush, and then invert the brush color by pressing X. So that's it. So I remove the unwanted parts. Hands there. So the music I'm using is an AI generated Afrobeat songs. So if you like to know how to do it, the link will be in the description. Also, you can try and then try to generate some images yourself, some music yourself. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to lower the fill. I've duplicated the text, I've lowered the fill, and then I've added stroke to it. I'm changing the stroke color to white so that it can be more visible, because I want it to be on the actual image. Yes, so I think 2 will be better for now. No, I think the 2 is too big, so I'll reduce it to 1 for now to see how it will look like. So 1. Okay, that's beautiful. What do you think? I think you are getting somewhere. The design, the whole design, this is the whole design, to be frank, this is the whole design, but I will be adding 1 or 2 things to make it more lively, more alive to you. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm trying to align everything to the center. So I'll be choosing September separately, align it to the center. I'll choose the image separately, align it to the center. I'll choose the overlay text, which the one with the stroke, and align it to the center. Yeah, voila, this is what I have. So what I'll do right now is I'll try to, decrease it a little bit. It looks a little big in my eyes. So I'll select all the layers and try. Okay, let me clean the edges first, because it seems that after removing the background of the image, it kept a little bit of the background, the white color. So I'm using the brush to eliminate all those parts. Wow, I think you're getting somewhere. What do you think? I think you're getting somewhere. Alright. So I'm making the color a little bit deeper. And when you see it, it's so bright you can't stand it. Hey, what's this? Yeah, I'm adding a text. It's a month of abundance. So September, month of abundance. And I pray that you too, this month will be your month of abundance. I don't care which year you are in, whatever month that you're watching this, it will be your month of abundance. You can say amen in the comment section. I will look at it and then reply to you. Yes. And as I've said, if you want to also try this, try it and then post it to our community on Telegram. Subscribe to our community and post it in there, and we, your friends, will try to review and see how well you did. I believe it's not too hard. You can do it. There's nothing you cannot do. That's what I believe. Yes, and I know you also believe that as well. So we change the font to letter space. Let's change the letter space. Make it a little nicer, classic. You know what I mean? Now we'll try to reduce it. Not yet. Let me add this. I starting amazing. I think that's what he's saying. Amazing. Yeah, move back now. Invert it. Control I. Reduce it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. in the middle. September, month of abundance. I think the design is almost done. I'll add another. Oh man, this isn't right. That doesn't look right. So add motion blur to it, make it feel like it's moving, not too much, not too small, just slightly in the middle. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think I can work with this. 50. Yes. Just want to. I try to add a Gaussian blur to it. Let's see. The reason why it's not working is because I have to go to the clip now. So I have to put the most part object, add the Gaussian blur once again. Okay. It's alright, but not how I want it. But it's not really how I want it. Yeah, really how I want it. So I'll actually add a motion blur instead of the Gaussian blur. You see? Yeah. This is more like it. More like it. When they ask me now what they did, I said, God help me. They ask me now what they did, I said, God help me. September, month of abundance. All is a terror. February. One thing I found about graphic design is that everything that you do is just freestyling. Trying your hands on possible ideas to see what you fit best. It's not about like having a preconceived. Sometimes you can have a preconceived idea, but most of the time it's just freestyling. Try your best. Like try, and it'll shock you that by the time you're done, like, oh, I've done something. Yeah, you just did something, and that's a beautiful thing right there. Get it? Yeah. So don't play. I think we are done. This is enough. This looks good, but I'm not satisfied. So I'll be adding another variation to it after this one. So right now I want to add a beautiful lady to the collection. And a girl jumping. So you can copy the prompt if you want to generate the same kind of thing. And I believe like it will give you an actual thing as well. Okay, so who knows how to fix this thing? You see the bottom of my screen, the bottom. It's like the app icons are vanished for some reason. So if you can help me out and how to fix it, you can also type in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. I think this is it. Even having this is September car looks nice. Bye. So I'm moving this a little to the left so I can add a link to this image. This beautiful lady, man. Also pretty to environment. background. I clicking on it, double clicking on it, then try to move the background with the magic tool. The magic wand tool. If it doesn't work, I use my lasso tool to make sure that everything is correlating effectively as I want it to. So yes, this is how far we have gotten to. We are adding the lady. We are actually done with the first flyer. So this is like a second thing we're doing, right? Yeah. We thank God for the opportunity to do that. Yeah, God bless you for sticking around this long. Like, it's an achievement to just stick to a video this long. So that when I save it, it won't come. So what I have to do is just copy it to the next page. Oh man. Yeah, here we are. I reflect it. Reflect. Edit and I go to transform. I use the flip horizontal. Yes, that will flip it beautifully for me. I'll bring it more to the right now. Oh. Yeah. Wow. She smiling. She jumping. She happy. So basically, I think I'm done with the tutorial. These are just touch-ups, and then other ways you can utilize an artwork. You get what I'm saying? So basically, this is what we are doing for now. We're almost done with the tutorial. So thank you for sticking around. Thank you for being a blessing to my life. Thank you for having time to listen and learn from me as well. God bless you so much. And thank you. I know that you are subscribing, you are liking, you are sharing. God bless you. I'll see you. Bless up.